Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to be giving a quick overview of the Proteus 1XR 16-bit multi-timbral digital sound module that I currently have posted on eBay. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link on the description. So let's get to it. This thing is awesome. It has a huge library of sounds. It has some drum kits in here. This thing could do everything. This thing is MIDI based and it's connected up to your current studio setup, and this thing is good to go. Now here are some samples of the sounds that it has. You can check this out. So you guys get the idea. This thing is powerful. It has a lot of sounds, beautiful sounds, and you can edit these sounds in the menu. And I have the operation manual here. You guys could read on that and just see how to do that precisely. And yeah, if you guys are interested, the eBay listing is in the description. Thanks.